Hi, in this video we are going to showcase the ability for Audio to set the naming strategy when using Audio add binding, either interactively or not. So this is actually a feedback that we received from calls because they wanted to have a different naming strategy, not necessarily the default one. And this actually makes sense because yeah, depending on the workload requirement, um, you can expect the binding information to be projected differently. So being able to customize that information actually makes sense. So let's see how it works. So in this project, I already have a dev file and I want to add a new binding to the dev file. So I run audio add binding. I'm prompted to select the service instance I want to bind to, then the binding name, um, how I want to bind, and so this is the option that we added. So we can select the default one as before, or we can pick from predefined strategies, or we can also specify custom Go template strings functions. It allows to have a completely different naming strategy function. So in this case, let's say I pick lowercase. So we can see that the information is added to the dev file, and we can also see the command to automate all this if I want to run it non-interactively. So we can see this naming strategy flag, which is new. So if I take a look at the changes in the dev file, we can see that the dev file has been updated with this new binding, and we now have this field that is set as part of the spec, and yeah, we have the right value here set here. So if I run audio dev, then it will create this service binding instance. So that's it for this demo. Thank you for your attention.